morning, world. Good morning. Ay! Ano ba yan? akala ko isa lang na naman. Ay! Agi na lang ako. Good morning, CDO. Good morning, Cagayan de Oro. Grabe, nagpalpitate yung puso ko. So, welcome to my non-blonde hair anymore. May natin pag-usapan.
No.
May mga madudurog na naman ang mga puso. So today we're going to Bukidnon. We're going to bring Miles in Dahilayan Adventure Park. She's never been there. It's her first time here. And we've been there twice already. But it's good also to check what's the latest there. Anyways, our driver is waiting now downstairs. And we just rent a car with the driver. So wala nang hassle sa pag-commute. So we'll see how this day will go. Hopefully it will turn out to be great. Forgot to vlog last night, so when we arrived we just went straight to the condo and then just picked up Hubbie's parents and sister, and then we went to Deer Manok and we had dinner, and then after dinner we just walked around to Divisoria. They have Divisoria here in CDO, and then we just bought some gloves, plastic gloves, because I was planning to dye my hair, because when Hubbie saw my hair he said it's color green, so I got bothered. I thought it's bad, and then we just unpacked our stuff, and then I colored my hair, and then it turned out to be like this. And then we just slept, although Miles slept first. Just a few minutes after returning at the condo. It used to be a power nap, but it's an unbeatable sleepiness. She lost the fight. And then today we just ordered a breakfast through Grab. We just had breakfast inside the condo, and then we're now off to Bukidnon. Now in Bukidnon. We just arrived, I think it was around 30 to 40 minutes travel. So there, Hubbie and Miles taking a photo at the pineapple statue. This is the area where the Del Monte farm is located. It's a huge pineapple farm here. They supply a lot of pineapples to different parts of the world. Let's go to that signage. It's called Camp Phillips. Bukidnon is not too far from CDO. Ayun yung kambal, oh. Saya na. Paras pa ng jacket. Paras pa ng outfit. Aga naman talaga.
Ay Miles, dito kami 2009, dito kami una nakita ni Mackee. Ay hindi kami, dito una nakita.
Dito kayo nagpunta? 2009?
Dito kami nagpunta, oo. Nakita kami sa CDO, tapos nagpunta kami dito sa Dahilayan. Ay, this is not Dahilayan, this is Bukidnon. Camp Phillips, Bukidnon. Look, let's look around.
Look at the pineapples. Look at this. The tiny pineapples. The baby pineapples. The farm of pineapples. Look at that, Del Monte.
And then now we're going to Dahilayan Adventure Park. That's our first adventure.
This will be your second, third time here.
Here? Many times. In Dahilayan, many times.
rained.
Remember, Mackee, dito tayo nagpunta, di ba? Nagmotor tayo. It was also raining, no? Kasi dito na yun banda, no?
Oh, that was the last time na pumunta tayo dito. So may malas kaming kasama. Wala na wala. It's been raining so hard. Good luck to our shoes.
It's raining and look at that.
What a disaster. So we arrived here at Dahilayan Adventure Park and it rained so hard. So we cannot enter the park yet because it's raining hard. So we decided to look for a restaurant nearby. And now we're here at Saddle Ridge Camp and we're gonna have some lunch here. And we have no choice but to eat here while waiting for the rain to stop. But based on the weather forecast, it's gonna rain the whole day until next day. So we don't know what's gonna happen today. Hopefully tumigil siya so we could enjoy the park later. Gusto ko ng sisig.
I think this one is good.
I'll get
Tatlo tayo.
rice toppings. Ako miss isang sisig. Ano yung sisig niyo? Pork? Pero hindi naman sa yung tenga, dila.
Yun na po.
Ayun?
Yes po.
Ayoko pala nun. Itong lechon kawali. Rice toppings siya o separate?
Separate po.
Separate? Okay. Sige, ito na lang ako. Lechon kawali. Tapos isang rice.
With rice na po siya, sir.
With rice na? Okay. O sige, yun na lang sa akin. May Coke Zero kayo? Ayun, isang Coke Zero sa akin.
Dalawang Coke Zero.
Pwede magkape?
In one lang available.
3 and 1.
Wala na sa'yo. Parang gusto ko i-try food.
Try mo.
Kay Kuya, ano kay Kuya?
Siguro this one.
Pork humba. Matamis yun ah.
Matamis yun.
Yes po.
Super sweet.
I had pork, I grilled lamb pork.
Ayun po.
And drinks mo. Mag-coffee ka ba?
Coffee na lang ako.
Okay.
Bigis lang.
So ulitin ko ate, isang lechon kawali, isang liempo, isang pork humba, dalawang Coke Zero, isang coffee. Grabe, ay tumigil ng ulan. Pero ang sarap, ang lamig. Sobrang init ngayon sa Pilipinas. And having this kind of weather is really nice. We're just gonna enjoy the weather, make the most out of it. We're still waiting for our food. At kawawa naman si Mas. It's her first time here and she won't be able to fully experience the place. We did this trip for her and baka may balat sa puwet. So here's what I ordered. Some bagnet. Ay, lechon kawali pala. And we're still waiting for the food of Hubbee. Oh, yun na pala yung food niya. Lunchtime! Lunchtime! That's our kuya driver. And then, nag-brown out. Welcome to Bukidnon, ma. Ayun na. Ang saya.
The best experience ever.
We just finished our lunch and good news, the rain has stopped. So we will make an attempt to go to Dahilayan Adventure Park and see if we can take some pictures. Alright, our driver is here. Due to unfortunate events, because of the rain, our trip to the Dahilayan Adventure Park is a fail. So we're just gonna try to make the most out of it. So we will see what are some nice places around. We're just gonna explore, take photos, and try to have fun. May balat sa pet yung kasama namin. lakas ng ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan. Basang-basa. Hello po. Today is really not our day. Look what happened. We just took a photo and then bumaksak na naman yung ulan. So we had to run. We're just waiting here somewhere. I don't know what this is called, but just waiting for the rain to stop. It's a rainy Bukidnon trip. Sige, buwis buhay kahit umuulan yung dalawa. Para sa picture. Sapa! Sige!
Braving the rain.
Mamaya mag-away na naman yan. Wow, so what can you say about the Bukidnon trip today?
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Rainy tour.
Isang mabasang paglalakbay, dulot ng kamalasan. We're heading back to the condo and then we're going to Ayala Mall after. We just got back to the hotel and I just finished taking a bath. Hubby's doing laundry and preparing some stuff. Sadly, it rained and it didn't give us the full experience. Although for us, it's okay. Like what we said, we've been there a number of times already and we've seen the place. It's really different this time. My moisturizer is shining in the video. It's really different now. It's too commercialized now. There's a lot of resorts nearby now. There's a lot of cars. It's different from how we have seen and experienced it before. We're lucky that in 2009, like what Hubbee said, the first time we saw each other here in Cagayan de Oro, the first thing we did together the next day is to travel in Bukidnon. It's not to open yet in public. The owner was very nice. When we expressed our interest to visit the place, he was nice enough to accommodate us in his car. There was not many people yet there at the time. We thought we might give this kind of experience with Mas, but it didn't happen. But we tried to make the most out of it, even though it was raining nonstop. So we just tried to roam around Dahilayan and take some good pictures. And then we went to the mall and then we did some stuff. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please put it down below. And see you on our next episode. Bye. Hubbee, say goodbye.
Goodbye!
This is my second time here in Ayala Mall. What are you buying?
Taco.
So we're just gonna check some luggage.
Oh, is it good?
So we're done at Hubby's house. We're back here at Limkit Mall. Ba yan? Sino may singit na singit?